Hey folks, another warm afternoon across the valley. Temperatures back over 90 in the western half of the area, 91 McAllen. Here in Weslaco, we've made it up to 89, same Raymondville and Harlingen. Cooler at the coast as always, about 83. A delightful day at the coast today. Bright sunshine and relatively light winds as coastal winds go. Our dew points are still pretty mild, mostly in the 50s with a couple of places in the low 60s. We'll put the average on the muggy meter at about 58, so that definitely a comfortable air mass out there today. Certainly not summer-like. It's warm, but not so humid, so it doesn't feel so bad. Low temperatures tonight, not quite as cool as last night because those dew points are slowly coming up, and they will pick up tomorrow as that southeast wind kicks in a little bit. And tomorrow's highs climb back up about the same as today, upper 80s, low 90s, depends on where you are, but another very warm day across the region. In fact, the next several days look very warm. 89 is now the normal, and we're going to be right about there, 92 on Friday. We talked last night about maybe something coming on Monday, bringing a rain chance. We don't see that anymore. It looks like, if at all, it holds off to the middle part of the week if it gets here at all. That was a high-resolution satellite. No matter how good the resolution is, if there's no clouds, there's no clouds. And Future Track keeps it that way most of the night, but then a little fog shows up. Then during the daytime tomorrow, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies once again. Go forward from tomorrow night into Thursday, yet another pretty nice day, but you start to see patchy clouds show up. I don't think we see showers, but we do see moisture increasing on Thursday, especially here in the low levels of the atmosphere. The dew points go up, meaning the humidity goes up, but above about 5,000 feet, it's very, very dry. No moisture to work with, so there's no rain. It's dry Wednesday, dry Thursday, dry Friday, and probably dry all the way through the weekend and into the early part of next week. Just nothing pushing this way anytime soon. This is what it looks like in Texas. There's a little action up in the Panhandle today. Got a couple of fronts up there, but those fronts don't get much closer than they are right now. They try, but the warm front moves back to the more north. The cold front falls apart. So we just see, again, an increase in that southeasterly wind, bringing humidity back in, but that's about the only change over the next few days. Our rain chances stay at a minimum through at least the next 7 days, it looks like now. If you're traveling, San Antonio in the morning, 64 degrees, 68 in Dallas, Houston 66, with at least some sunshine statewide. By afternoon, readings bounce back up into the 80s, and in some places like Midland and El Paso, back in the 90s tomorrow afternoon. So for us, not as cool as last night, but still mild, 68. Watch out for patchy fog. Tomorrow, patchy fog early, but then mostly sunny. Your high back up to 89 degrees. Southeast winds at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and we do warm it up and we don't cool it off much. Even by Tuesday, about 90. A few more clouds sneak in, but that chance of rain we talked about yesterday for Monday looks to be out of here. Maybe Tuesday, about a 10% chance, but not a very good chance at that. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.